Hello students, today we will understand what is AIC coupon code and what is the use of it while filling up Amity University online application form. First you need to understand what is AIC. AIC stands for Amity Information Center, which is part of Amity Education Group. Now Amity Education Group is having more than 60 Amity Information Centers across India. Their primary roles are to assist you in choosing the best suited career among different career options available at Amity campuses across India. They provide information on fee structure, scholarships, eligibility criteria and so on. They also assist you in filling up application form correctly to avoid any mistake or rejection in your application form. They also support and guide you in various stages throughout the admission process, like they intimate you about interview date, your selection status, your last date of taking admission into Amity campuses and so on. Now to achieve all this, a dedicated career counselor is appointed for you who will be giving you the full guidance and support throughout the admission cycle. Now we will come to know how and where to apply AIC coupon code. For that you need to visit Amity University official website, and there you have to start filling up your basic details, which is the first step of your online application form. First you have to start with your name, your mobile number, your email ID, and then you have to put up your AIC coupon code, which will be given to you by your dedicated AIC counselor, whose number is right now flashing on the screen. And after putting up your coupon code, a pop-up message will flash up that your code is successfully applied. And then after, you have to click on Save and Next button. But be remember, you have to click it only once, otherwise your coupon code will be invalid. After clicking on Save and Next button, your form number and password will be generated. Just copy and save this form number and password and then click Continue. Now you have appeared on the second step, and there you have to select your course level and campus. Choose your desired campus from the given list, and then you have to choose your preferred discipline in that campus. Or alternatively, you can type the name of the course over here also. To check out your course details, you can click on here, where you can find your eligibility criteria, your fee structure and other details, and then click on OK. Now you have to select your course and then click on Save and Next button. As you can see, your data has been saved successfully. Now you are into the third step, that is payment stage, where you need to pay your application cost. For that, you have to select the payment gateway. In the payment gateway, confirm your application fee as ₹800. That means your coupon code was successfully applied and your application fee has been discounted to ₹800. And then enter your card details to pay your application fee. And then after payment of your application fee, you will be redirected to the form again to the first step. Fill up rest of the stages, upload necessary documents, review and submit the form. Kindly note, apply successfully AIC coupon code so that Amity Information Center officials can help you throughout the application process till successful and error-free submission of the form, and also assist you in the later stages of your admission process. Thank you for watching this video.